Hi everyone, my name is Virendra Sahu, and in this video, I will be walking you through my AI engineering internship project BookExpert, a document QA bot built using Retrieval-Augmented Generations. This system allows user to upload private PDF and docs files and ask natural language questions about them. The bot returns accurate, grounded answer with direct citations, completely preventing AI hallucinations. So let's dive in. So firstly, we need to open our project. So I have deployed publicly deployed on my Streamlit, and this is the link. So simply we need to click here. So yeah, here is the BookExpert interface. On the left sidebar, you can see the API status showing Gemini API is connected securely. The key is never visible in the UI for security reason, and the document library sections where we can upload files, and the pipeline parameters where we can control how many chunks to retrieve and the temperature of the model. The main area has three tabs: grounded chat, library preview, vector search explorer. So let me now upload document and index them. I will check the upload button. Okay. So this is the upload button. And here we have a four file: policy doc, science paper, business doc, and document assignment. So let's click. And once uploaded, I click index them. I click index docs. This triggers our ingestion pipelines. It extract text page by page, split it into semantic chunks of 1,000 character with 200 characters overlap, generates vector embedding using Google text embedding 004 model, and save everything into our local ChromaDB vector database. And you can see, so firstly we need to click. So as you can see, successfully indexed 32 chunks, our knowledge base is ready. So now let's ask some questions. I will go to the ground chat tab. Okay. So here we need to go. After that, so here we need to give some question. I have noted here. I'm asking one question. What is the main technology stack used in this project? So I have uploaded document related to my assignment, and I'm entering the I'm pressing the enter button, and it will analyze. So as you can see, the answer is perfectly structured with headings, key points, and details. And at the bottom, source citation showing exactly which file and page numbers the information came from. No no hallucinations, only document grounded answers. Now it's time to give the second question. So here I'm giving. So you can see I'm giving the second question. So give the overview of this project. It is analyzing. Okay. So again, a beautifully structured response with inline creations. The system prompt strictly instruct Gemini to only use the provided constant. If information is not in the document, it will say so honestly. Okay. So let me show you the library preview tab. Here you can see all the index documents with their file size and the download button for each. So now the most interesting part, the vector search explorer. Let me type a quick directly. Rag pipelines. And here I have choose four chunks. Okay. And pressing the enter. Yeah, as you can see, ChromaDB returns the top machine chunks with their cosine similarities scores. Lower distance means higher relevance, and This is the raw retrieval happening behind every chat response. So let me quickly show you the code structure. Now you can see the all chunks. It is generated. Okay. So now it's time to show the code. So the problem, the project has four main files inside the src folder. First is the config.py. Store all the contents like chunk size and model names. And second was the ingest.py, the ingestion pipeline that read document chunks them, embeds them, and save to ChromaDB. And third file is chroma query.py. So the RAG query pipelines that embed the question searches ChromaDB, build the grounded prompt, and call Gemini API. And the fourth file is main.py, the complete Streamlit UI, the architecture, cleanly separate indexing from querying, a professional production ready design. So, so that's a BookExpert, a fully functional deployed track-based document QA bot with semantic search, grounded answer, inline citations, and a premium UI. The app is live at document qa bot.streamlit.app and the code complete source code is available on my GitHub account. And here I have added readme files. All the informations are there, and you can check the my public link in the below of the readme file. So thanks for watching. This is my entire project introduction. Okay.